Hey everyone, welcome back to BitFix. In today's video, we're diving into the top skills every student should learn in 2025. Whether you're looking to get ahead in your career, improve your personal life, or gain practical knowledge, these skills will be game changers for the coming year. Let's start with digital skills, which are becoming increasingly essential as we move into 2025. First, we have basic computer skills. In 2025, knowing how to use software like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint isn't optional, it's a fundamental skill for almost any field. Mastering these tools will set you up for success in school, work, and even personal projects. Next is digital literacy. With the internet expanding and more information out there than ever, it's crucial to know how to navigate online resources effectively. This means finding reliable sources, evaluating information, and understanding online safety, a must-have skill for the digital world of 2025. Then we have basic coding. As automation and technology grow, learning programming basics like Python or JavaScript can open up numerous opportunities. Coding doesn't just improve job prospects, it helps you think logically and problem solve, which are valuable skills for the future. And let's not forget graphic design. Platforms like Canva make it easy to create beautiful designs, whether for social media presentations or your portfolio. In 2025, with digital content becoming more critical, understanding basic design principles can set you apart. With digital skills covered, let's move on to soft skills. These are timeless and will be just as valuable in 2025 as they are today. Time management is a big one. The world is moving faster, and being able to prioritize tasks, manage time efficiently, and meet deadlines can reduce stress and boost productivity. This is a skill that will be increasingly essential in 2025. Next up is problem solving. In 2025, with the rapid changes in technology and global challenges, having strong critical thinking and problem solving skills will help you tackle unexpected situations with ease. Communication skills are also crucial. The ability to express ideas clearly, whether verbally or in writing, will set you apart in both personal and professional situations. Then there's teamwork. In an increasingly connected world, knowing how to collaborate effectively with people from diverse backgrounds is essential. And of course, adaptability. In 2025, the world will continue to change rapidly, and the ability to embrace new challenges and adjust to different situations is a valuable asset. Now let's cover some practical skills that will be useful for day-to-day life in 2025. First on the list is cooking. With a focus on health and self-sufficiency, learning how to prepare a few basic, healthy meals will help you save money and live healthier in 2025. Next is budgeting. Managing finances is essential, especially with the increasing cost of living. Learning how to create a budget and stick to it will give you greater control over your financial future. Basic first aid is another great skill to have. Knowing how to respond in an emergency, even with basic skills, is invaluable whether for your safety or someone else's. And finally, public speaking. Overcoming stage fright and learning to present your ideas confidently is a powerful tool, especially as we move into a world where communication skills are increasingly valued. So, those are some of the top skills every student should learn in 2025. By building these skills, you'll be ready to tackle new challenges, seize new opportunities, and thrive in a rapidly changing world. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Here's to a successful 2025. See you in the next one.